Christmas. I hope you got everything you wanted, and hope you spent time with family, friends, whatever you wanted to do. I hope it was a good Christmas for you guys. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kyle. I make videos with a GoPro about me and my 2002 WRX. And today we'll be talking about what to look for when buying a used Subaru. You see, I was gonna make the intro outside the vehicle with the vehicle parked, but I parked my car, got the thumbnail, and realized, wow, it is cold. It is so cold today. So I'm like, nope. Gonna do it inside. As I say, we are gonna be going through the things that you should look for when buying a used Subaru. I would say with high mileage, because I bought this vehicle with high mileage. I bought this vehicle with 201,000 miles. Yes, I know. I'm gonna get a lot of hate for that. That is really high for a Subaru. So don't hate on me too hard. I knew what I was getting myself into when I bought the vehicle, when I saw it on Craigslist. But yeah, let's get into the video. To start off, when you're looking for a Subaru, if you're buying on Craigslist, for example, look at the ad. Look at what the guy says is all done to the car. Do your research. You know, if you're on my video, you're already doing your research because you need help if you're not familiar with Subarus. I did the same exact thing when I bought this car. I looked up every single thing I could do, or every single thing wrong with a used Subaru. So yeah, if you're on my video, good job. You're on the right track. All right, now a couple of main things I want to point out when buying, you know, a used Subaru. Pretty much valve cover gasket, head gasket, and you know, any accidents with the vehicle, how well the maintenance was kept up with it, and pretty much that's it. And I'm gonna go well into depth with everything, but those are probably the main points I'm gonna focus on as I'm making this video. The first thing I said, head gaskets and valve cover gaskets. Now, when you reach the high mileage Subarus, it is good to know if the head gaskets were changed, because everyone knows Subarus head gaskets are trash, especially when they reach the high mileage point. I would say, in my opinion, you know, 130,000 plus. If the head gaskets weren't changed, might want to look into that. Now, if the guy does say they were changed, you know, ask him if he has the receipts for the shop he took them to. Do your research on the shop. How well is the customer service there? How well do they know what they're doing? Simple things like that to make your purchase a little more easy, as I should say. Now, the head gasket is, you know, the more serious problem of the two, of the valve cover gasket and the head gasket. The valve cover gasket isn't too bad to get to if you know what you're doing. You can do your research on how to replace them. But if you don't know, same thing, ask for a receipt, know where it got changed, do your research on the garage, and you should be fine. Another thing is maintenance on the vehicle. Basically, simple maintenance stuff like fluids changed. Pretty much that's it, the fluids. I'm not good with cars, but like when I think of maintenance, I think of like how well he kept the fluids up, if you know, he changed the oil consistently, if you use synthetic oil, if you use just regular oil. Personally, I use synthetic just because, you know, I get a couple thousand extra miles out of it, and you know, I like running synthetic. And another simple thing, ask questions. Know if he's the first, second, third, whatever owner. Know how many owners there were. Ask if there was any accidents on the vehicle. Typically, they're not gonna say if they abused it or not, but it's good to know like who drove it. Because the owner might be like an older gentleman, but like he could have let his kid drive the thing for all you know. But yeah, that's another thing. Typically, the older generation, I would say, you know, maybe 40 and up, maybe possibly 35 and up. They tend to take care of the vehicle a little more. They really don't abuse it as much as like an 18 to, let's say, 26-year-old or something like that. it's an older gentleman or lady, depending on who's driving the vehicle, I mean, it's typically a good sign when they're older. Now, when you're looking at the exterior of the car, the back fenders are, if you're in the northern state, I should say. I know in Pennsylvania, cars rust like no other because they put the salt down on the road, they got a bunch of crap weather, and you know, yeah, basically the northern states, you're gonna have rust on vehicles. But the back quarter panel, back fender, quarter, whatever, back fenders over the rear wheel well tend to rust a little bit. I got a tiny bit of rust, you know, it's just surface rust, it's not too bad. But yeah, they will rust underneath. I realized that when I jacked my car up to change the oil. I looked at everything and it's kind of rusted, so yeah, well. Another big thing on when you're buying a Subaru, look at the interior of the car. If you think about it, if the guy took crap care of the car, the interior, and he's driving it, imagine what he did to the vehicle. So if he kept it nice, if he kept it like flawless, no rips, no trash in there, no, you know, stains, you could assume that he kept the vehicle pretty nice. Because if you're driving that thing and you're driving in like basically a trash can, who knows how you're driving your vehicle? Like, you might not appreciate it at all. So yeah, those are a couple things that I've learned when I bought a Subaru with high mileage. Basically, do your research, test drive the car. I mean, everyone knows what a car should feel like. If the car's not going into gear, grinding through gears, if it's like stuttering when you hit the gas, that's not a good sign. So, you know, test drive the car, do your research. Hopefully this video was helpful. I feel like this video is going to be all over the place, but that's because I'm not good at explaining things. So it's kind of weird that I'm making a video about explaining things and helping people out, but you know, I just want to tell you guys my experience buying a high mileage Subaru. Hopefully it helped you guys. Maybe it was entertaining. I really don't think it'll be entertaining, but you know, yeah. I'm just trying to take some advice I got a couple days ago. Be persistent, because I really want to grow this YouTube channel. So I was told, be persistent, make good content, don't make content that's going to bore your audience. And it's kind of tough for me because I have a job that, you know, pays my bills. It pays my bills, and that's pretty much it. Now, when I want to buy something extra or make something like some content that you guys would enjoy to watch, it slows me down, and then I get swamped with bills. So I'm working on it, working on finding another job just to get some more income so I can make content for you guys. I'm gonna be honest, I'm like out of ideas on what to make. So I'm gonna ask you guys, what would you guys like to see? What would you guys like enjoy watching? If you would do me the favor, leave a comment down below in what you would like to watch. It would really help me out, and you know, maybe I can make some more entertaining content, because if you can tell, the last couple videos I've been running out of ideas. I'm gonna be honest, I just ran out of ideas. So leave a comment down below what you would like to watch, you know, what you would find interesting to watch. Help me out so I can, you know, make good videos for you guys, because I really just want to grow this YouTube channel. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Oh gosh, what are you doing? Some lady just took a turn at a stop sign. Really sharp. Alright, take two. Alright, that's going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below on what you guys would like to see from me. Hopefully this video was, you know, helpful if you are looking to buy a Subaru. I know I'm a little all over the place. You know, I'm still trying to get used to making videos and making like fluent videos, and you know, getting used to talking on camera. It's a little harder than you might seem. Like, you can talk so well when there's not a camera pointed at you, but once you turn on that camera, it's just, your mind doesn't let you say what you want to say, if that makes sense. Alright, I'm just rambling now. You know what to do. Leave a like, comment what you want to see, subscribe, see more videos with me in it, and as always, ladies and gentlemen, I will see each and every one of you in my next video.